net. Get the net.
Still there. Alright guys, about 20 feet from the boat.
20 feet. Getting close.
About 20 feet from the boat. There's a spot. Oh, of course, you gotta hit that last little thing. It's a spot. That's a striper. That's a striper.
Oh, that's big.
That's a striper. It's about.
That's big.
It's a striper.
Let's get him in the boat. And it's big. Come on, babe. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Papa. There we go, son.
That boy, Nick.
15 pounds.
Nah, that's about 8 pounds.
Okay.
8 or 9.
You want a bet?
I'm gonna guess 10 pounds at most.
I said about 15.
10 pounds at most. How much you wanna bet?
Where's the net? The weight.
In his bag.
Give me my pliers.
I don't know where they are. Give me to hold
Pull out
him.
his teeth. He's bleeding too. I got it.
He got it.
I got it.
Got it.
Want a picture?